width, now we are going to learn how to design Facebook cover image easily on Photoshop. Open the Photoshop and go to File and go to New, or else press Ctrl plus N on your keyboard. Now width, there's a size for Facebook cover image, so width should be 851, okay, and height should be 315. So make the width 851 and confirm this unit measurement is on pixel size and height is 315. So now the resolution should be on 72. Okay, so make the color mode RGB and the background content is white. Make it white color, so that will be fine. So if you select background color or transparent, you will get confused. Just leave as it is. Okay, so just make it there like that. Okay, now press OK. Okay, now you will get this page. Okay, fine. This is the width. Okay, this is width from left to right is width, and from top to bottom is height. So you can see the width and height. Now on the layer, you will see this lock mark. So click that lock mark to unlock, or else just double click. Keep the cursor here, double click it, so you will get a pop-up. So just click OK. So then also it will unlock. Okay, so it's easy way. Just click that pet lock. Okay, just click one click, single click. Okay, so now it's easy here. Okay, fine. Now go to File and select this one, Free Transform. Okay, now you want to set the center point here. You want to mark the center point. Okay, so choose this point here. Okay, so from on your left side you will find this ruler mark. So click that one, just drag to right side and go to the center. When you move the cursor, you will get a block there. So same thing from top ruler to bottom. Okay, so now you saw, right? Now you see it is center to the page. So just click this one to enter, so confirm. Okay, fine. Or else just enter on your keyboard. Right, now you are on center mark. Fine. Now there is a safest size. Okay, safest area is there on the Facebook cover image. So you have to set that one also. So if you open on mobile phone, the safest area should be visible. Okay, so just take that one, draw a rectangle here as I drew now. Okay, so you will see the sizes on properties the right side, on right side. Okay, so just if you don't see the properties, go to Windows menu. Okay, and you will see the go to Windows menu and you will see the properties menu here. Just make sure it is ticked. Okay, if didn't tick, okay, just click it. So now you will see the properties. Okay, fine. The width should be 555. Okay, so just type 555. Okay, 555. So the height should be 312. So 312. So enter, the size will be changed. Okay, now you have to make that one in center position. So make that one center. So again you have to free transform. So just point that center to this ruler. Okay, you will see this blue line. This is just for visible. It won't show on the image. Okay, so mark end of this edge, left edge and right edge. So this gray area is the safest space. So whatever you want, just make the main theme middle of this image. Okay, so don't go outside. So this white area, it will show on Facebook, on computer. On mobile phone it won't show. Okay, So now you just save the image, give a name. So I have given Facebook cover image tutorial. Okay, so now save or press OK. Fine. Now you know what I'm going to do. It's easy. Okay, so now I'm going to hide this one. Okay, so just on your layer, just select that rectangle layer, just click this eye mark, so that will be invisible. Okay, now go to the rectangle there and draw a rectangle. Okay, so I want to give a color to this rectangle, so go to color palette. Here they are fill, it's below the layer. Okay, so go to fill, so choose any color. So I'm just choosing a red color, light red. Okay, let me see the colors different. Okay, orange, red. Okay, I think this color seems to be okay. Okay, right, fine. Now I'm clicking outside, clicking the select tool. Now I want to make this one center, so again Control T or go to the edit and free transform, so make this one center to the line. Fine, now press OK or enter, or this one, this icon. Right, now we need some text to be on that one. Okay, so if you want to hide that mark, that ruler, that line, blue line, just go to view and extra or Control H. Okay, now I'm selecting the text, so type the matter you want. Okay, I'm selecting white color because I want to write something. Okay, right, I'm writing here. We can say like okay, stay home. Fine, so this is the right time to stay home. So it's kind of awareness cover image. So I want to change the size because it's big size, so I think 30, no, it's 48, it's fine. So just medium is fine. No, regular size is okay. Right, now I want to make this one center. Okay, so again I am pressing Ctrl H to visible that line. Okay, because I don't know whether it's center or not. Okay, so now I'm pressing Ctrl T or edit free transform. So to make it fast, I'm doing this all slowly. Okay, the reason is to show, because it will be easy to, and it will be easy to learn from your side. Okay, now open the Google because I want to insert a image top of that. Okay, so I'm finding an image like home icon. Okay, so here you will get so many images here, but remember I want an image without a background. So just go to these tools. Okay, just go to these tools, click the tools, so you will get another option below. Okay, now you will see on your second option, like after size, you want to see the color. So there you just select the transparent. Okay, if you select the transparent, the backgrounds will be empty. Okay, most of the images. So just click that one. So the Google will show you, give you the empty background images. So I'm selecting an image which is related to the which one I like, because I'm choosing one image in this kind of this images. Okay, I'm choosing this icon. Okay, so I'm opening this one. Okay, so okay, I'm going direct okay, saving. Oh no, I don't want this one because I want to check, I want to go to the site. That will be fine because this is in which size I want to see the size also. Okay, now I am downloading, I'm clicking the link and I'm downloading it, so it will download. So you can see it's downloaded. So I'm using Chrome here. Okay, now see, I'm just dragging that one to the Photoshop. Okay, so I'm dragging to Photoshop and resize the size to minimum. Okay, adjust the size, move the image upward. Okay, now look, I'm doing this everything because of you all, because I'm doing slowly. The reason is you all have to do yourself. Okay, so that's why. Now here I'm selecting this home and that rectangle layer and just moving down below that line. So okay, now I want to make everything center, so I want to select all the layers here which are visible here. Okay, so from here you just select center, align. Okay, so all the object will be on center object. Okay, fine. Now I want to, this is fixed. Okay, but now just small moment. Now I want to change the background here. Okay, so this background should be changed to another color. So just go to the layer which is backside. Okay, so from there open shape tool, that square tool. So click there and give the size. Before give the size, select that from center, so it will fix to the center, and the width should be 851 and height is 315. So okay, now the shape is there. So now you have to change the color. Okay, so choose a color. So I like not dark yellow, so I'm selecting a light yellow which is similar to beige, but it's not beige. Okay, blue, no, not blue. You should see, it should fix to your theme. Okay, your logo or something. Okay, I'm fixing this one. Okay, this light color, I like it. Okay, so remember, okay, when you save, go to file and save for web. Okay, so you'll get in low resolution size. Okay, now see here, this is on PNG format. Now see the size, this is the sizes of the image. So 12.91 kilobytes. Okay, so if you go to JPG, you will see the maximum size. The size will be different, 30 MB, so 30K, sorry, and the height, so 14K. But I recommend you to upload this image on PNG 24, not 8, 24. The reason is the quality, you won't lose the quality. So PNG 24 is fine. Okay, so just save it. Okay, give a name. Okay, tutorial. So I have given a name here. So save. Fine. Now this is the same. The design which I designed earlier. It's similar to this Facebook cover image. Okay, so hope you all understood how to design this image. So okay, hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you very much.